So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So I'm going to have a link in the description of the video here, guys, to McAfee's website that actually has the removal tool. You may have to scroll down a little bit on this page. Again, this is coming directly from McAfee. And you want to go download the MCPR tool. So go ahead and run it. Should be a verified publisher from McAfee. Go ahead and select yes. You can close out of the web browser at this time. This is the McAfee software removal tool. You want to select next. You want to agree, and then next again. Enter the security validation code. You know, the funny thing is I remember using this tool a very long time ago, I would say 15 years ago, and it looks almost exactly the same. But anyway, let me go ahead and type in the code again, security code, and it should go ahead and remove McAfee products that are on your system. So just give this a few minutes to run. And then obviously if you want to reinstall McAfee software afterwards, you can, but there just might be an issue with a corrupt install. So you might just have to uninstall it just to get it to be back to a clean slate. Okay, so once that's concluded, it does ask that we reboot our computer. So go ahead and restart your device at this time. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process for you. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.